So, my sidekicks, I am just got out of the Publix, and I thought I would show a couple things that I purchased, and I don't. How do you say the entertainments? I get two of these in the cherry flavor because they're as we say they're BOGO. That means buy one and you don't pay for the second. So you'll get one for no charge whatsoever. And these come in cherry and apple. I cherry are my favorites. So I got two cherry, and they're quite. Let me show you. They're about this size, right? Kind of like just a little bit bigger than the average size ravioli. So I'm gonna take bite. Quick bite. Mm, mm, mm. It's so good, but hold on. I just want to show the center. What sometimes you get these manufactured pies, and the inside parts are kind of not much. These are very generous. These are so delicious. You may want to try. Now, when I go to the store, I always think of my mother, and my mother, you know your mother well because you know she has her favorites, and I thought, let me get these for my mother. These have to be refrigerated, so I must get home soon. But my mother, I know she loves the eclairs, and what are those things called? The Americans call them the Long John, but these, she's going to enjoy these. So I get them for her so she can have snacks late at night, because she gets those sweet tooths later tonight, and I thought she will enjoy this. I will treat her to this. So there you go. I hope you all are having a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Mwah, mwah, mwah.